This video primarily teaches us the methods for debugging network camera software. Setting up the computer's IP. We need to set a fixed IP for our computer to ensure that the camera and the computer are on the same local network. Here's how to do it. Find the network port to which the camera is connected. Enter the computer's IP. Since the camera's IP is 192.168.0.71, we set the computer's IP to the same range. For example, 192.168.0.180. The subnet mask is set to generate automatically. Open the command prompt and ping the camera's IP address by entering pingoni 92.168.0.71 T and press OK. If you get a response, it indicates a successful connection. Installing software. Find the installation package and click to install it. After installation, you will have two system drivers. If they are already installed, close them. If not, continue with the installation. Find the desktop icon for the software. Adding devices. After opening the software, click on Settings. Select Device Management and clear the device list. Enter the camera's IP and select the camera's focus. Click Add for multiple cascaded cameras. Add their IPs accordingly. That can add multiple camera IPs. Below is how the cameras are arranged. If it's a camera project, select one for column and one for horizontal. If you have two cameras spliced horizontally, select two for columns and one for rows. If you have two cameras stitched together, select one for column and two for horizontal. Differ is the calibration point indentation ratio. After setting up, click OK. Find the software icon in the taskbar. Right-click and exit the software. Reopen the software after exiting. Calibration. Click Settings. Video SRC reflects images captured by real cameras. It is a grayscale image tracker to identify the information to the point. Only black and white two colors. White represents the identification point. Adjust the camera to completely cover the display area. Use a mobile flashlight if needed. Verify whether video SRC shows any lit spots in the top left and bottom right corners of the screen. If there are lit spots, your camera is covering the display area. Otherwise, adjust the camera's height and angle. Once set, select Calibration and click the Calibration button. Follow the blue circle's prompts for calibration. Place the phone with the flashlight on at the first calibration point. Use the mouse to align the red crosshair with the lit spot, completing calibration for 1 point. Repeat this process for the other 3 points. Once calibration is complete, the calibration interface will automatically close. If you want to cancel calibration, click the Close button. Next, walk along the edges of the display area, and white recognition points will appear in the tracker. Adding games. Select Play Plan. Add the software you want to run, other video files, and modify the game loop time. Check Autoplay Reset to enable automatic loop playback after software startup. Setting startup on boot. Click Auto Run and then OK. Saving. Finally, close the program to save your settings. Right-click the tray icon to access the context menu, where you can exit or use Alt+ESC to close the program. Game demonstration. The interactivity is highly responsive.